Alright guys, there are 4 things we're going to do in this tutorial. First, we're going to get domain and hosting, which you'll get at 70% off just by going through my link in the video description. Second, we're going to install WordPress. Third, we're going to download and install the Divi theme. And finally, we're going to create our awesome website. So this is the page you'll come to when you click the link, and as you can see, SiteGround's WordPress hosting is officially recommended by WordPress.org. And that says a lot, it's because they're awesome. If I scroll down here, you'll see they have 3 different plans. They have the Startup plan, the Grow Big plan, and the Go Geek plan. I recommend the Grow Big plan because for only $5.95 a month, you get to host unlimited websites. With the Startup plan, you can only host 1 website. So for only a couple dollars more, you get unlimited websites. And if you want to, later on, you can always upgrade to the Go Geek plan. With the Grow Big plan, you get these essential WordPress features, plus you get these premium WordPress features. And by the way, guys, I just want to let you know, all of my websites are hosted on SiteGround. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Plan. Here I'm going to register a new domain. If you already have a domain name, you would click here, type it in, and then click Proceed. And don't worry if you bought your domain somewhere else, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, because later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name servers so that you point your domain from your domain provider to your website on SiteGround. But I'm going to register a new domain name. Always make sure you spell your domain name correctly before you proceed. And I'm going to choose .com. But if you click here, you could choose a different TLD like .net, .org, or any of these others. When you're ready, click Proceed. Okay, so it says, congratulations, domain brightbraincreative.com is available for registration with your hosting account. So here we're going to fill out our account information. You're going to start with your email. Create a password. Confirm your password. Next, you'll fill out your name and address. I'm going to block this to protect my information. Phone number. Next, you'll fill out your payment information. Next is the purchase information. You can see I'm purchasing the Grow Big plan. You can choose your data center here. Since I'm in the USA and most of my website visitors will be from the USA, I'll keep it on USA. But you could choose Singapore, United Kingdom, Europe. Here I'm choosing a 12 months period. Hosting price is only $5.95 a month, regularly $19.95 a month. Extra services, your domain registration is $15.95. I do recommend getting domain privacy for only $12 a year. What this will do, it'll protect your inbox from being spammed from people because they'll have your personal information like your email address. You can also get SG Site Scanner for only $20 a year. They'll monitor your website 24/7 to make sure it hasn't been hacked or injected with malicious code. So the total is going to be $99.35. Click these 2 boxes. Actually, you don't have to click this one. That's if you want to receive SiteGround news and the special offers. And when you're all done, click Pay Now. Alright, it says your order was successfully submitted. Thank you for choosing SiteGround. Alright, so we have our domain and hosting. Now we're going to install WordPress. Your account was successfully created. Proceed to customer area, so we're going to click here. So here you set up your new Grow Big hosting account. Set up your website. Since we're starting a new website, we're going to click here. And they already know that WordPress is the best website builder out there. So they have it right here in the beginning. So go ahead and click WordPress. Here you could select other software if you wanted. Here we're going to choose our WordPress login details. You want to make sure you get this email correct because this is where they're going to email your login details in case you forget or you need them later on. So I'll choose the same email. Make sure it's correct. It is. Choose a username. Password. Here it says you can still enhance your account if you want. I'm not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. Confirm. Click this box here. I confirm that I've read and agreed to the SiteGround terms, service, and privacy policy. Complete setup. Alright, it says your hosting account is ready to use. Proceed to customer area. So we're going to click this green button here. And this is your SiteGround customer area. This is the home tab. If you click accounts, here we see my domain name, my WordPress site. Here you click this to go to the admin panel. If I click here, you can see our WordPress site. It's pretty ugly. Don't worry, we're going to fix that later on. Here you go to your cPanel. Here's your support tab. SiteGround has really awesome support, and as you can see, they're available 24/7 via phone, chat, or ticket. If you ever have problems, you can click here, and then you would choose one of these sections, like WordPress assistance, for instance. Over here, you have your billing tab. Primary card. If you ever change your credit card, you can manage it here. Alternate card. Here's your transaction. Ad services. You can change your plan, site builder, all this other stuff down here. And here we have perks. These are all $60 credit. These are all free. Pretty cool stuff. So let's go back to my accounts. So there's actually two ways to get to your admin panel. So we'll click go to admin panel. By the way, if you ever need to get back to your admin panel, there's an easy way to do that. Just type in your domain name. /wp-admin. And that'll take you right to your admin panel. Of course, since I haven't logged in yet, it took me to the login screen instead of the admin panel. If I had been logged in, it would have taken me straight to the admin panel. So let's go back here, click that off. Put in the username that you set up. Your password. Click login. This is new. It says welcome to your WordPress site. We don't need that because I'm going to show you all this stuff. So just click exit. And here's your WordPress admin panel. We can click this off.